Today we're out shooting with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the Canon Kit lens. We're doing what? The Fujifilm fanboys, they're gonna hate you for this, but it's your show, so go ahead, have at it. Don't worry about everything, okay? So, anyway, we're out grabbing some footage to see how this lens looks if you put it on a more higher end camera. And, well, I don't know if the X-T4 is a high-end camera necessarily, but it's pretty good. And I got the lens adapted with the Fringer Pro II adapter here. And according to Fringer's website, this lens is tested and officially supported. So we're gonna do some tests and see how things like eye autofocus and face tracking works with this lens. But why? I mean, Fujifilm have their own 18 to 55. It's just an experiment, okay? Can we move on? Thank you. So, but imagine this, if you were to jump ship from Canon to Fujifilm and you wanted some of the awesome video specs of the Fujifilm cameras and you already had a bunch of EF glass, then you probably would find yourself buying a lens adapter instead of a bunch of Fujinon glass. The kit lens would still technically be an option, okay? And I know this lens have a pretty bad reputation, but then again, I've gotten some pretty decent footage with this lens on my Canon camera, like these shots. Let's do some tests. I'm curious to see how the autofocus, the face tracking and eye autofocus works with this lens. And let's try the optical image stabilization as well, just to see if it works together with the IBIS on the X-T4. Yeah, it works. The eye autofocus works. Perfect. Yeah, the wind kind of messed up some of the audio, so I think this will sound much better. Anyway, the X-T4 have IBIS, or in-body image stabilization, but I wasn't sure if the IBIS would work together with the OIS on the lens with the adapter. So on this first pass, we've got all the stabilization turned off. And as you can see, it's pretty shaky. Now, on this one, I turned on the lens stabilization, or the OIS. It's still pretty shaky, but at least the shakes are a bit smoother. And on the last one here, we've got both the IBIS and the OIS turned on. And this is by far the most stable one of these three. So the old kit lens actually works surprisingly well adapted like this. But would I use it a lot? Probably not. Maybe for things like family trips, if I wanted to bring a zoom lens, but I don't want to bring anything heavy like the Sigma 1835 or a 24-70. But what do you guys think about the footage we managed to get with this humble lens? Did it look terrible? Did it look okay? Or was it surprisingly good? Well, okay, I think... Are you done? Can I just say something? Okay, yeah. Thank you. Sorry to all of you die-hard Fujifilm fanboys out there. I'm sorry, this video was not my idea, okay? Not mine, okay? But thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you again. Thank you.